Okay, blessings everyone. Today I will present my work on the genesis and pathogenesis of COVID-19 infection. First of all, abstract. COVID-19 infection is generated by SARS-CoV-2 and embodies casual causes of a possibly deadly illness, which is significantly concerning the whole world. The genesis of the disease is suggested that numerous people were susceptible to animal marketplace in Wuhan, China. Individual to individual spread of coronavirus made different patients to be isolated and they were given different treatments. Broad interventions to minimize the spread of COVID-19 infection from one person to the other have been executed to regulate the present outbreak in the world. Specialized interventions meant for protecting and reducing the spread of the infection are currently applied in vulnerable populations such as children, older people, and the healthcare personnel. The manuscript will outline the genesis and pathogenesis of COVID-19 virus and underline the future guidelines for controlling the transmission of this deadly infection. Introduction. COVID-19 can be grouped into virus family which can cause different signs like pneumonia, fever, breathing problems, and can infect lungs. Zhang et al. Stated that the viruses are well known in animals across the world, but there are little cases that affect people. According to Adhikar et al., the term COVID-19 originated from the World Health Organization and it refers to a coronavirus that affects the lower breathing system of people diagnosed with pneumonia in China. The study aimed to provide the genesis and pathogenesis of COVID-19 infection. The reviews so far conducted have explained the epidemiology, causes, medical symptoms and identification, and the preventive and control measures of the virus. The research so far conducted is essential to regulate the present emergency, but quality studies are required to offer suitable and dependable ways for managing the type of general healthcare emergency. Materials and methods. A scope assessment was carried out where 4 journals printed before the end of January 2020 were assessed and explained to comprehend the pandemic, origin and medical identification, preventive and control measures of the infection. The study also included the study domains, publication dates, the language of the article, the affiliation of the authors, and the methodical features. The results and statements in this analysis concerning the genesis and pathogenesis of COVID-19 outbreak are grounded on the already published data. After selecting the articles, information was collected and documented in an Excel worksheet, and the collected information entailed data and language of publishing, title and name of the journals, the country and affiliation of the author, design and target of the research, setting of the study, instruments used to collect data, study area, and key outcomes. Discussion. The transitional genesis and transmission to people are not yet known, but the quick person-to-person spread of the infection has been broadly established. But there is no particular medical vaccine that can be used to treat it. Nevertheless, Shirin et al. Opined that antiviral medications have been analyzed against a viral in medical trials, which has caused medical recovery. The study used a systemic and thorough research technique to get essential publications that align with the study aims. The review sums the scientific basis, identifies research gaps, and offers future studies to provide directions about the pandemic to policymakers, other scholars, and healthcare personnel. The focus of the research is the articles documented in the English language during the earlier epidemic time. Even though the center cannot show the whole body of the study on the coronavirus in the globe, it will offer information for upcoming reviews and control. Conclusion. COVID-19 was transmitting from an individual to the other through close contact and airborne droplets caused by coughs, sneezes, and kisses, and other people were advised to keep a distance from partners or families showing these signs. COVID-19 can spread through pets like dogs, cats, pigs, and as a result, they should be avoided and separated if any symptoms such as diarrhea, cold, and fever are detected. According to the World Health Organization guidelines, infected people should avoid going to the market or public places. COVID-19 has no specific treatment or vaccine, although supportive therapies are working, and future studies are required to fight this pandemic. Thank you. Any questions?